Hi everyone! My name is Michael, and this is my friend Mango. Hi! I'm so glad you're here because today we are going to read another storybook. Michael, what's today's story about? That's a good question, Mango. Why don't we look at the cover and find out? The title of this book is A Place to Call Home. Mango, what can you see on the cover of the book? I can see lots of animals. What kind of animals can you see? I can see an elephant, a gorilla, a turtle, and a whale. Good. And what do you think the story is about? Phoning home? Phoning home? Why do you think it's about phoning home? You said call home. So maybe the animals are trying to phone home. That's an interesting thought, but animals don't use phones, do they? I think these animals are looking for something. What do you think they could be looking for? A home? That's a good guess, Mango. I think the animals are looking for a place they can call home. Mango, where is your home? The jungle. Well, it used to be my home. Now my home is here, with you. That's right, this is your home. Why are the animals looking for a home? Don't they have one? That's a really good question, Mango. Maybe something happened to their home. Should we read the story and find out what happened? Yeah, let's read! This story is called A Place to Call Home. Written by Melissa Jane Cullen and illustrated by Andrea Alamano. Let's begin. In the jungle, far away, leopards run and monkeys play. Hey! Those monkeys look like me! That's awesome! You're right, they do. And it looks like they're in the jungle. Yeah, that's their home. It used to be my home too. Mango, do you miss living in the jungle? Sometimes. It was really nice there. I've never been to the jungle. Can you tell me what it was like? Sure. It was hot, and there were lots of trees, and plants, and flowers. And all my friends were there. That sounds lovely. And what kind of animals lived there? Well, monkeys, of course, and leopards, elephants, tigers, snakes, and birds. I wonder if we'll see any of those animals in this story. There's only one way to find out. Let's keep reading. Good idea, Mango. I'm going to start again from the beginning. In the jungle, far away, leopards run and monkeys play. Parrots squawk and fly around. Lizards crawl down on the ground. Gorillas rest and elephants roam. This is the place they all call home. So wait, the animals have a home? Yes, the jungle is their home. But I thought you said they were looking for a home. Huh, that's a good point, Mango. Maybe something happened to their home and they had to move away from the jungle, like you did. I don't know. They seem pretty happy. I don't think they want to move. Well, why did you move away from the jungle? What happened to your home? I don't want to talk about it right now. Can I tell you later? Of course, Mango, that's fine. So let's say these animals have to move for some reason. What could that reason be?
Maybe a dinosaur comes and scares them all away.
Maybe. Should we keep reading and find out if you're right?
Yeah!
But suddenly, trees start to fall.
See? Dinosaurs are coming! Run!
Mango, I don't think it's dinosaurs. Dinosaurs aren't around anymore. What else could it be?
Maybe it's an earthquake or something.
Do you think an earthquake would make the trees fall over?
Yeah, if it was strong enough. Like this.
Whoa, Mango! That was powerful. Let's keep reading to find out if you're right.
But suddenly, trees start to fall. People have come to take them all.
Michael, can I tell you something?
Sure, Mango. You can tell me anything.
Remember when you asked what happened to my home?
Yes, I remember. I asked why you moved away from the jungle.
I had to move because of people.
And what did the people do?
It's really difficult to talk about. It makes me sad. Can I tell you later?
Yes, of course, Mango. For now, let's keep reading.
Their home destroyed, the animals flee and find the place where sand meets sea. But the sea, once clear and blue, home to whales and turtles too, is filled with garbage from people's homes. Plastic bags, tin cans, old combs.
Hey, that's not where garbage goes.
That's right, Mango. And where is garbage supposed to go?
In a garbage can?
Good. Garbage goes in the garbage can.
Yeah. If not, you might hurt an animal.
That's right. Like the turtle in this book. There's a plastic bag around the turtle's neck.
That's awful.
So, Mango, now that all of the trees in the jungle have been taken, and the beach and the ocean is full of garbage, what are the animals going to do now?
I don't know, but they have to do something. They need a home.
That's right, they do need a home. Let's keep reading and see what happens next.
Let's travel further, the animals say. Let's find a new home, far away. And so they travel, day and night, until they see a wonderful sight.
And what do you think they see, Mango?
I don't know, but I hope it's good. These animals have been through a lot.
Golden sands and clear blue sea, a land of trees and greenery. A place to call home once again, a place as yet untouched by men.
What did you think of the story, Mango?
It was kind of sad, but I'm glad the animals found a home.
It was a bit sad. Does it make you think of your own story? Are you ready to share that with us yet? I know it can be hard to talk about sad things, Mango. But sometimes it can help, too. Are you ready to share your story with us?
Here goes. I was living happily in the jungle, like these animals. But then some people came and cut down all the trees.
Do you know why they cut down the trees?
No, not really.
People cut down trees for lots of different reasons. One reason is to make things like furniture and buildings.
Oh, that reminds me. The humans wanted to build hotels so people could come from far away and see all the animals.
And did the people from far away get to see the animals in the jungle?
No, not really. So many animals had to leave. They can't live in hotels like people.
Is that when we met? And you came to live in the trees near me?
Yeah, it was.
And how did you feel when the people came to cut down all the trees?
I was scared. They had chainsaws that made a lot of noise.
That does sound scary.
Michael, will it happen again? Will people cut down more trees?
Unfortunately, Mango, I think it will happen again. I think people will cut down more trees.
Why?
Well, people cut down trees not only to get wood to build houses and furniture, we also use wood to make paper.
Really? Does that mean books come from trees?
Yeah, kind of. The problem is, Mango, the more wood we use, the more trees we have to cut down.
Why don't we just use less wood?
That's a really good question. Do you think that would work?
Yeah, if we used less wood, we wouldn't cut down so many trees. And if we didn't cut down so many trees, it would help protect the animals.
That sounds like a great idea. And what can we do to make sure we use less wood?
We could use less paper.
Good idea.
And instead of buying new furniture, we could reuse old furniture.
I love those ideas, Mango. We could use less paper and reuse old furniture so we don't have to cut down as many trees. Can you think of anything else we could do to use fewer trees and to help protect the animals?
If you have any ideas, we'd love to hear them.
Mango, thank you so much for sharing your story with us today, even though it was difficult for you. And thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed listening to today's story. And Mango and I look forward to reading you another story sometime soon. Until then,
Bye!
see you later!